हेलो वेलकम बैक अगेन गाइस। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं प्रोग्राम टू एक्सेप्ट टू नंबर्स एंड प्रिंट which one is the greater. So you have suppose two numbers and you want to show that which one is the greater and which one is the less number. So how to find that which one is the greater and which one is not, right? So to make this program by flow chart, I am trying to make it as a flow chart, how you can show in the computer or in the flow chart in your notebook. So if you write down the program in the C++ or in the simple C, you can write the same program in the C and the C++. So the program is the starting first thing that start. So start is for starting we make this kind of box, is the rectangular box. So we make a rectangular box like this and we write simply start. And the next step will be numeric, which you two numbers, two variables I am taking here, a and b. So small a and small b. So numeric, this is also the rectangle that I am making, the big rectangle. So I write down here the numeric a comma b. And the third step will be accept a. First this computer, this process will accept the first variable number, which is 1. So it will accept a. So we write in this form of rectangular and we write this accept a. So if it takes accept a first, then it will accept b, the other one. So this is also in the rectangular form and this accept b. So the process will start here. Now, is a greater than b? If your a is greater than b, then what? If a is greater than b, then it is true. So it is display in this form. And yeah, the condition starts here, right? So here in this kind of box is making for the or we use for the only for the condition. So if you want to write here, you have two conditions, because you have two numbers. So here there is two condition will arise, or if there is a three number, then three condition will arise. So we use here three type of statements. So there is here two statement or two variables. So we have two conditions, right? So first one is if a greater than b, then other one will be b greater than a, right? So here a is greater than b, it means that is if a is greater than b, then it is true. So if it is true, then a display in this kind of box and display first number is greater, then this will display your first number a, which is greater than b, and then your program will end here, right? So you will say that this program will be ended here. Now if the other condition will arise, that if a is not greater than b, it means that b is greater than a, then what is your step? So here we have other condition will arise here. If this condition is not exist, then there we move to the next condition, that is display second number is greater. So we use the same box for the display, okay, and the condition we use this box, okay. So display second number is greater, in the same way, like this is the true. So if this is false, then this will true, or if this is true, then this will end. So this will false, right? So this is why we write here true and F for false, okay, T for true and F for false. So here display second number is greater. So if display second number greater, this is true, then this is false. So this is true, then this will here end, okay. So this is how we make the simple flow chart for two numbers, which one is greater and not, or which one is not, right? So here you can also describe that there is one variable for one, you can take any value, because you have to take any value, because here you have two variables also. So if you have two variables a and b, so variable a value will be 1 and variable 2 will be b will be 2. So result that कि first number is greater, अगर if you want to say that this first number is greater with the second number, so you have to follow like this condition. This is the true condition, this will not fall, this is false. Or if this 2 is greater, then this will false. So only one condition will true exist here, okay. There is not there is a two condition, but at least there is the possibility that only one condition will true, because both in at one point this will not be true, right? So I hope you understand this way we can make a simple program in the flow chart. So We will be coming soon with the next video. Thank you so much for watching us. Please subscribe to this channel so you will get all the note, and also press the bell icons. You will get all the notification from my channel. Thank you so much, viewers.